Assalamu alaikum.
Get ready for true or false Islamic edition.
Let's go.
The Quran is the holy book of Islam. True. This is the most sacred text for Muslims, containing divine guidance. Muslims pray 5 times a day. True. Daily prayers are central to a Muslim's life. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Medina. False. He was born in Mecca, a key historical and spiritual center for Muslims. Fasting during the month of Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. True. This is a beloved practice for Muslims to grow closer to God. Hajj pilgrimage is required once in a lifetime for Muslims who are physically and financially able. True. It's a profound journey of faith for Muslims around the world. The Islamic calendar is based on the solar cycle. False. It's based on the lunar cycle, marking significant dates for Muslims.
Sawm
refers to giving charity in Islam. False. It is called fasting. Charity is called zakat. Muslims believe in only one God, Allah. True. This core belief emphasizes the oneness of God in Islam. The angel Jibreel is believed to have revealed the Quran to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. True. Jibreel is a vital figure in Islamic faith and history. Zakat is an optional charity in Islam. False. It's obligatory for those who can afford it. Generosity is a cherished duty. The Hadith is a collection of Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, sayings and actions. True. These are key to understanding Islamic life and law. Muslims consider Jesus, peace be upon him, a prophet. True. Jesus, peace be upon him, is respected as one of the greatest prophets in Islam. Alcohol is permitted in Islam. False. Alcohol is prohibited to maintain purity and clarity of mind. Islam originated in the 7th century CE. True. Islam began in Arabia, bringing a powerful message of faith.
Assalamu alaikum
means God is great. False. It means peace be upon you, a beautiful greeting in Islam. The Kaaba is located in Medina. False. The Kaaba is in Mecca, where millions turn to in prayer. Eid al-Fitr marks the end of the Hajj pilgrimage. False. Eid al-Fitr celebrates the end of Ramadan fasting. Muslims believe that everyone is born sinless. True. This pure start is a compassionate belief in Islam. The Quran has 114 chapters called surahs. True. Each surah has its unique guidance and beauty. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, received his first revelation at age 40. True. This moment marked a transformative time for humanity. Salah is the term for Islamic prayer. True. Salah is a spiritual cornerstone for Muslims. The Quran was revealed in Arabic. True. Arabic is deeply revered in the Muslim world. Islamic law is known as Sharia. True. Sharia is an integral part of Islamic life. Muslims believe in reincarnation. False. Islam teaches a single earthly life, followed by the afterlife. Islam requires men and women to dress modestly. True. Modesty is valued as a form of respect in Islam. Eid al-Adha commemorates the willingness of Abraham, peace be upon him, to sacrifice his son. True. This story of faith is deeply honored. The word Islam means submission. True. Submission to Allah is central to Islam. Friday is the holy day for communal prayers in Islam. True. Friday prayers unite Muslims worldwide. The Quran has not been altered since it was revealed. True. Its preservation is a source of pride for Muslims. Muslims are allowed to eat pork. False. Pork is strictly forbidden in Islam. There are 4 main schools of thought in Sunni Islam. True. These schools provide diverse approaches to Islamic law. Jihad primarily means struggle or effort in Islam. True. It reflects a deep, personal commitment to strive for righteousness and overcome challenges, both within oneself and in the world, for the sake of God. The mosque is a place of worship for Muslims. True. Mosques are community centers of peace and devotion. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the final prophet in Islam. True. He's considered the seal of the prophets, completing God's message. The Quran encourages harming innocent people. False. The Quran values justice and peace for all. Halal means forbidden in Arabic. False. Halal actually means permissible in Islam. Sunni and Shia are the 2 main sects in Islam. True. Though diverse, both share core beliefs and practices. Islam is the largest religion in the world. False. Islam is the second largest, growing steadily worldwide. Imam refers to a leader in a mosque. True. Imams guide congregational prayers and community teachings. Muslims believe in the concept of the Day of Judgment. True. This belief inspires a life of responsibility and purpose. Laylatul Qadr is believed to be a holy night in Ramadan. True. It's a night of blessings and mercy from Allah. Umrah is the major pilgrimage in Islam, required once in a lifetime. False. Hajj is the required pilgrimage, while Umrah is optional. Islam allows polygamy with restrictions. True. Polygamy has specific rules and responsibilities in Islam. Charity in Islam is only financial. False. Charity includes helping others in many ways, not just financially. The first revelation to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, occurred in a cave. True. The cave of Hira holds a special place in Islam. The Quran is organized chronologically. False. It's roughly organized by the length of the chapters. Surah Al-Fatiha is the opening chapter of the Quran. True. This chapter is beloved and recited in every prayer. Muslims are encouraged to greet each other with
Assalamu alaikum.
True. It's a beautiful wish for peace. The Quran is memorized and recited by millions worldwide. True. Its memorization is an inspiring tradition in Islam. The Quran prohibits lying and cheating. True. Honesty and integrity are essential in Islam. That's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quizzes and educational content about Islam.